On Google Sites, there's something called sections. Now, right now, if I hover over anything in this white space, there's nothing showing up on the side. But let me show you what I mean by section. So we just, I'll use a layout. So here's a layout. Do you see how everything in this entire rectangle is one section? And if I change the background color, the entire section changes. If I inserted another one, maybe I made this background a different color. I'll just make them different colors so you can see them a little more clearly. I've done a lot of image searching lately. Okay, so I'll just use these two colors so you can tell. Now, what's lovely about sections is that there's these little dots on the left-hand side. And if I click it and drag it, I can move that entire section on top of another section. And so now these switched places. Anything that you insert, for example, I really like using dividers. This is also a section, so I can move this divider anywhere that I want as well. Sections are super nice because it's basically a group. So these three pictures and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 text boxes are all grouped together in this one section. Now, they don't have to stay that way. For example, if I didn't want this in that section anymore, I could click it, hold it, and drag it where I wanted. Do you see how there's this big, giant blue line that goes all the way from left to right? That's going to kick it out of the section. So now this little guy is all by himself. So maybe I would center these a little bit better or however I wanted. And now this one's all by itself. And so I can make that one a beige color or whatever. So now this one's in its own section and I could stretch it to make it bigger or whatever. I can alter it. But sections are really handy because once you've grouped certain objects, you can move that whole group of objects in one step, in one click, just dragging it on the side. Again, to drag it on the side moves the whole section. If I just want to move one element, I just click it and drag that one element. So I can put this thing back over here if I wanted. Anyway, more to follow.